To connect a printer with Xiaomi Redmi A5, first of all, you will need to open a settings on your smartphone device. Next step is to move to the connected devices list right here, and then we can move to the connection preferences, and right here we can find our printing. Now inside, I would make sure that the default print service is activated like that, and then on the bottom it should start searching for your printers. So now it's the time to see a manual for your printer and see how to enter a pairing mode on it. Some printers may have different options and it's quite hard to actually describe them all as each brand may have or each model of your printer may have different options for that. But in most of the cases it will just appear right here. Alternatively, you should go back and then move to the network and internet, and some of the printers will share their internet using a Wi-Fi. So look for your printer name somewhere around here, then try to connect with it. And if it asks for a password, then you will need to check that manual of that printer. And last thing that you should actually do if it doesn't work for you, the previous methods, you can go for add service, which will open a Google Play Store on your smartphone device with most of the, not all, services for your printers, and you can select whichever printer brand you have and then try to connect that printer using this specific service. So they will appear right here, and then you just need to click on them if you download them. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.